Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to get true stretch res Valorant. So basically what you're going to do is you just have to simply go first to your device manager and go to your monitor, and then you have to disable your monitor right here, whatever it is. So right click and disable driver. Once you have disabled your driver, you can now tap this X or exit your device manager. And then this time you have to open your NVIDIA control panel. So go to the search icon or menu and then type NVIDIA. If you have installed this to your computer, all you have to do is to open. And basically, this is what it looks like once you open your NVIDIA control panel. You have to go directly to change resolution. And then this time you have to click this part right here and follow this. This time we're going to create custom resolution. So you have to click this create custom resolution, tap this one right here. Now once you tap this create custom resolution, what you're going to do is you have to follow what I'm going to flash right now. So basically here in create custom resolution, you have to follow this horizontal pixels and vertical lines as well as the refresh rate. Once you're done with that, once you follow everything here, what you're going to do next is you have to click the test button below. So tap on the test. Once done, then basically you should see this in the option. So what you're going to do is you have to click that custom resolution up here. So you need to click that one. Then after that, you have to click apply. And then after that, proceed to adjust desktop size and position. So what you're going to do is you have to go to apply the following settings. You have to click and select the full screen right here. And then for resolution, you have to look for the custom resolution that you have set earlier. So here it is. Resolution should be same. Once done, then what you're going to do here is you have to click apply, and basically that's it. That's how easy it is, or one of the ways on how to get true stretch here on RES or RES Valorant. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.